Guess who? Hey, it's me again. Fire Agate Mark. Hello again. Fire Agate. This is some of our high grade. These all have proven color. We'll get some lots up here soon. I had sales videos that were very successful. The last one, they all sold by that morning, so I figured I'd do another sales video right now, and I might even do like a live sale, or we'll do some sort of auction. Let's see. That's a good one. But these are some fun ones. So this is all Aguas Calientes material, the Mexican fire agate. These are all smalls but powerful. Small but powerful. They've got great color. They've got amazing potential. But let's see, it's a small stone for, let's see, for reference. There you go. You got a penny against the stones. So some of them are smaller, but if you're doing a ring stone or something like that, they're fantastic. I mean, you know, this one, see, look at those colors. They've got great colors. They're not very big. So I'm going to do lots of these. Let's do the first lot number 1. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we have in this lot. Some beautiful green, and it looks like it might continue under there. See, so it's not going to get very big, but it'll be a nice pretty little stone. And then this one, let's see. Oh, this is a stacker, and I think there we go. It's got some layers. It's not very big, but it's stacked, beautiful colors. And then it looks like it might be another one of the same, very colorful, small. You can tell by this is my thumb. You can kind of see the outline of the thumbnail versus this. They're not very big, but they are very powerful. We'll do lot number 1 for, oh, and free delivery in the United States. How about $25? $25 for lot 1. Yeah, free shipping in the United States. If you're somewhere else like Canada or overseas, we'll do discounted shipping. Should we do parcels of more than 3? No, parcels of 3 is good. Let's see, this one. This one has some pretty color. It's really well, it's stacked, it's nice. Again, it's stacked. There's some overburden that still has to get knocked off, but we have that. And then, oh, that's going to be pretty. This one had some flashes of like purple. This one might be a little bit larger, but let's go with the same price. Let's say lot number 2 for $25. We'll do 4 in this one. So lot number 3 has 4. This red color, this iron staining, and then the layers in between, this tends to produce some really magnificent colors. I see shades of green in there, but I have a feeling that there's going to be more than that. And then again, this one's really tiny, but it's got some very bright color right on the top. And then this one here, boy, I mean the color is right on the surface. You don't have to do much. I don't know if you want these for earrings, or you're going to make smaller stones and do a necklace or something else. Oh, look at that. Green is super intense too. That's the thing. Small but powerful. They're not that big. But lot number 3 will do for $32. This one, oh yeah, I can see metallic green under there. There we go. And again, that iron staining along with some really beautiful green right under there. Green right on the surface. So some of these are going to be, all you have to do is apply a light layer of polish. If you overwork high grade, you will turn it into commercial grade and low grade instantly. So don't overwork it. Be careful. Make sure you know what you're doing. Oh, this one has purple and blue. So that's a good size one. Let's see. Let's do the same. What did I say, baby? 32? 32 on 4. Thank you very much.
32?
32, please. Whoa. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's a bigger one? This is a bigger parcel. There's a big old knobby. Let's zoom in for this one. Come on, work with me. There we go. Look at that. Very metallic. Beautiful. Oops. Yeah, we still have that one. This is still really metallic. Beautiful. A tiny little addition with some hints of purple. Oh, gee whiz, Mark. You're messing up. You know what? Let me take a mulligan on this one. Do over. Do over. 1, 2, 3, 4 stones. How about these 4? Okay, that's pretty. Lots of beautiful green. Right under the surface. Almost no digging. You're right on it. Number 1 of 4. Number 2 of 4. Yeah, that one is. Okay, here we go. There's some really metallic green right there in the corner. And some, oh, lavender, purple. There's some ghost color, but if you set it against a dark background, you can actually pull that up. Then we have 3, oh, yeah, right on the surface. This one, again, this is really small but powerful. Beautiful. That has pink in it. Yeah. That one looks almost like a molar. This one has some really pretty green right on the surface. And so this, you probably just use a Nova Point 600 grit, just kind of clean that brown off and you're into some bright green. It's more like an iron staining. So this lot of 4 we'll do for 32. Yeah? No?
25.
Yeah. 35. You're good. She sees the stones too. Let's see what we got. 3, 4, 5. 5 stones. What lot are we on, baby? It's number 6?
Number 6.
Okay, number 6 is going to start off really strong. Really pretty green. Stacker. Again, in reference to what would be my thumbnail. It's about a thumbnail size. Stacker. Small. Beautiful. Number 2. Ooh, this has a pretty orange. Surface. Metallic. These, I can't stress, if you overwork these stones, you're going to shoot right past the colors. So they're high grade for a reason. they'll produce a very beautiful, colorful stone if you don't overwork it. If you overwork it, you'll shoot right past those colors and you'll regret it. It's not worth it. And that's funny. This one has like that spidering pattern that you see in Slaughter Mountain. It's really neat to see some of those similarities. 5 pieces, $35. Yep. Good. Let's see, that's 6. Number 7, last one. Let's make number 7 special.
Yeah, first one.
1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got. Number 7. This one's a good stacker. You could actually find a pretty nice layer. You could see how far the color extends out. That is a really nice piece. She just handed me a piece. Let's see. Oh yeah, the piece I had saved for myself.
Oops.
Whoops. Thanks, baby. Alright, so as if it's on the table, I guess it's free game. I didn't put it in my pocket, so number 2 of... I remember.
Number 7.
The number
7.
2 of 7, number 3 of 7. Wow. Wow. It's not very much, but look at the green and purple stacker. Holy cow. In reference to a thumbnail. Again, small, powerful. That's number 3 of 7. Number 4 of 7 is another stacker. Beautiful. Deeply layered. Looks like a really nice metallic green. And it continues all the way through. That's 4 of 7. Yeah, that's pretty. Small, powerful, colorful. 5 of 7. Ooh, 6 of 7. Look at you. Hello. And what's this one? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Wow. Wow. All right, shock, 7 of 7. You gotta have 7 and 7 here. Let me see these. So one more time, 7 of 7. So this lot is going to be $100, and that again, free shipping in the United States, discounted shipping elsewhere. Hit me up if you want to make a purchase. Please leave a comment on this video. Say which lot you want. Mark, I want lot number 1, 2, 3, or I want number 7, or I want number 5, and we'll get that set aside. Then you can email me at fireagatemark@gmail.com. I'll put a link up there, and we'll get that sold to you. And we'll be doing some more of these. We'll be putting up some lots on our eBay and on our website at fireagatemark.com. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for visiting. We love sharing our rocks. We love showing you what we got. And we'll be back with some more sales. Holy smokes. See what I mean by small but powerful? These things are crazy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, please. It does help us so much. And we hope you have a beautiful night.
Thank you.
Thank you.